Since starting operations in 2014, Windsor-Detroit Bridge Authority has been working on 2 parallel courses to be ready for the construction of one of the largest infrastructure projects in North America, the Gordie Howe International Bridge project. WDBA is making real progress with more than $350 million in ongoing works at the Canadian and U.S. project sites. These preparatory activities in Canada include construction of an access road, placement of fill to address soil conditions, construction of stormwater management ponds, utility relocations, and environmental work. In the U.S., these activities include environmental site work, utility relocations, and site clearance. In addition, Michigan has been leading the acquisition of U.S. properties for the U.S. port of entry. In parallel with our preparatory activities, WDBA focused its attention on the public-private partnership procurement process to select its private sector partner to design, build, finance, operate, and maintain the Gordie Howe International Bridge project. With the selection of Bridging North America as our private sector partner, WDBA is at the ready to start construction of this once-in-a-generation undertaking.
We are starting to build this bridge, and it is going to be built, and the people of Michigan and Canada and the United States will be using it very, very soon.
Today, we begin full construction on the Gordie Howe International Bridge. Named after a Canadian legend and an honorary son of Detroit, this bridge is a vital 2.5-kilometer artery that will connect Windsor and Detroit and allow for an increased flow of people and goods between Canada and the United States.
The Gordie Howe International Bridge project is the border crossing for our economic future. It will facilitate the movement of people, goods, and services by ensuring there is sufficient border crossing capacity to handle growth in cross-border trade and traffic, by providing a much-needed crossing alternative, by delivering improved border processing capabilities, and by providing, for the first time, a highway-to-highway connection that will directly connect traffic to Highway 401 in Windsor and I-75 in Detroit. The Gordie Howe International Bridge project will also help to sustain existing jobs and create thousands of new jobs and opportunities on both sides of the border. Travelers, businesses, and community members on both sides of the border are already talking about the opportunities that this transformational project will bring.
So the opportunity to be able to have another crossing, another choice, is really important. Expediency is also really important, to be able to get across promptly and without delay or any further unnecessary delay than absolutely required.
The Gordie Howe International Bridge will mean opening up the region to explore. There'll be more areas to check out and enjoy, and it'll allow people to really connect on both sides of the border. There's so many events, restaurants, cool festivals going on both in Windsor, Essex, and in Detroit. It'll just mean a new way to get involved with those things and connect.
As a daily commuter between the two countries, the Gordie Howe International Bridge will give me an alternate option for getting to work each day. And as an added bonus, I'm really excited that the bridge will connect to the 401, allowing me an easier route to get to friends and family.
It secures this incredible trading relationship. It will improve the quality of life, tourism, and it will be safer. This is really the most important infrastructure project, I believe, in North America.
The Gordie Howe International Bridge is going to hugely benefit the bicycling community since we'll be able to travel across borders much more freely on a bicycle rather than requiring a special form of transit. Not only that, but you can also forgo the bicycle and even walk it.
Well, I think what the Gordie Howe Bridge does for us is it provides another opportunity for commerce and for trade. As much as we're on the map already now as a business partner and a center for business and commerce, it adds to that.
It means a lot to my whole family too.
We go back and forth a lot. This bridge means a lot to eliminate traffic congestion that creates jobs.
And it's going to look really cool too.
This is the Gordie Howe International Bridge project, and we are at the ready.